welcome. Or if you've been following us for any of the past 10 years, welcome back. My name's Michael. I'm the one that you're going to be following in the room in the morning. I'll be going through all the trades and attempting to teach you how to day trade. Now let's just agree that you're here because you want to learn how to day trade, and you're probably here because you're looking into futures. We've been trading futures, day trading futures for over a decade, and we've trained thousands of people. We're pretty good at what we do, and so you're here. So right now is a time where I normally go through all these notes that I have in front of me and try to convince you to take the trial. And that's really what I want you to do. I want you to take the trial. Just press the button and take the trial. But let me tell you why you should. All right. Now, first of all, every trade is made up of three different things, right? There's the entry, there's the risk management, and there's the exit. Now, we'll teach you how to do all those things individually, but the entry, as you can see in the things that are going by behind me, the entry is, we've got it nailed down to put an arrow on the chart. There are entries that occur when there's no arrow at times, and I'll teach you how to do that as well. They usually occur before the arrow in those cases, or when there's no arrow at all. But you might have an entry with an arrow, but an entry right before the arrow as well. And you can see that this is not just futures. There's stocks, there's crypto going on back there. We can't do it on Forex, but you got the spread in Forex, so doing that on a range chart, which is what we like to use, is probably not the best thing. But anyway, you got the entry, and you got the risk management. Now, the risk management strategy is something that I've been using. My risk management strategy. Well, I'll teach you how to use my risk management strategy, and you can do that. It's fairly aggressive, but it's worked for me for over a decade, and it's worked for numerous other people over the years. You can change it, and I expect you probably will want to change it over time. As you get better with what you're doing, you'll probably want to change it, be a little less aggressive. I'm wrapped into a 2-hour window in the morning every day. You don't have that pressure. You don't have a 2-hour window, so you might want to let some trades go a little longer. Wait a little more time inside a trade. I don't really have that luxury, because I have a 2-hour window where I have to show you how everything works, and I do it over and over again every day. And I mean, it works. It works. Consistent profitability is what we're all about, right? You just want consistent profits day after day after day. You want to sit down and not wonder whether you're going to make money. You want to sit down and know every day, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to make money today. I'm just going to sit down, I'm going to make money, and then I'm going to be done, and I'm going to go do something else. That's where you want to be, right? You don't want to sit down and be there for 6 hours a day in front of your computer. You want to be there for for 2 or 3 minutes if you can. I mean, most of my days are under a half an hour. If I get my goal for the day, I usually get it under a half an hour every day. Sometimes I'll get it before they open, sometimes I won't, but you'll see as you get into the trial. Again, this is all about you taking the trial right now. So you can stop right now anytime and just press the button and take the trial, or you can listen to some more. Now we've gone over the entry is down to just simple arrows that appear on the chart. Beyond the entry, there is the risk management, which is how you move your stop to break even. You get the risk off the trade. After the risk management, there's the exit. Now, I use 3 different things for the exit. I use price action, and I use our indicators. And one of the oscillators, I use that, which goes from one part either oversold to overbought, or overbought to oversold, suggesting when it should start over again and when you should expect it to pull back. So take profit at one, enter back at the other. Take profit at one, enter back at the other. And I also use the DOM. Now, most people that use the DOM, they don't know all the things that are available to you inside the DOM. There are so many things that are available that most people do not use. And I'll teach you how to get the most out of the DOM. All right? So that's the entry, the risk management, and the exit. Now, again, I'm just looking at my notes because this is the part where I'm supposed to have you take the trial. So press the button and take the trial, right? You're here because you want to learn how to day trade. If you're serious about learning how to day trade and you don't want to keep searching, then at least stop here, give us some time, and we'll teach you how to do it. If you don't like it, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. We use TradingView charts. We have DT Pro, and we have NinjaTrader charts as well. TradingView is what you're going to see in the room most often. If you don't have any of those charting packages, go to mytradingiq.com. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a thing called Trading Platforms. Again, it's mytradingiq.com/trading-platforms. Go there and you'll see all the different platforms that we have in there. Sign up for one of those. It's really pretty straightforward and simple. If you have any trouble with that, any trouble at all, email us at support@mytradingiq.com or support@cfrn.net. Either one of those will get to us, and we'll sit with you one-on-one. That is also part of taking the trial. We'll sit with you one-on-one, get your desktop set up, and make you understand, or at least help you understand, what we're doing and what you're looking at, right? Because a lot of people see this in the very beginning, they'll be overwhelmed. I mean, I know in the very beginning, if you were to sit down with me and I was just going to run through the day like I normally do, it would be overwhelming. This year we actually did something a little bit different, where I actually have a lesson plan now, and I go through different things every day that I want to teach you and show you every day, and that's part of the morning session. The morning session runs 9:30 to 11:30 every business day. All right, so now I'm at the end of my spiel here. So what I'm going to say to you right now is, the decision is up to you. I mean, you're here, right? You've gone this far, you're here. Press the button, take the trial. Don't press the button, don't take the trial. But if you do press it, you'll have an opportunity to learn something that may benefit you for the rest of your life. It's up to you.